Good morning, science people. It's April 2nd. There's a video in progress. That's what I'm making right now, which the videos have not been receiving too many views. We have to spread the word about that and try and get to 1 million views on one of these videos here. I think I got 3 out of about 100 kids or 90 kids yesterday. So not sure what I might have to do to pick up the traffic on these, but maybe you could offer me some suggestions. Costume, um, silly antics. Not sure what I have to do to get you to tune in. Anyway, transfer and transformation of energy again today, law of conservation of energy. There's a video link down here that you can click, and it's about pendulum physics, and it is a little bit difficult to listen to as far as the language. You'll have to really lean in. Think I've heard that somewhere before. Okay, so we've got no stop. A quick video about that. And then again, some more work in your textbook. Check the questions out on the slideshow that I have provided for you, just to check your answers. And then exit slip, and you're good to go for today. So it's about a few pages of reading there. The Legends of Learning thing that I tried to get going yesterday, I mean, check that out. I think I assigned it in Google Classroom. It's not bad. I played the games yesterday. I'll go up to my playlist here and see I'm logged out right now. So I'm gonna see if I can log in quick. Um, I was able to see who was out there practicing. There were about 22 students who were practicing. Let's see, assigned. I don't really know how to use this that well yet. There is, yeah, here's my playlist, assignment playlist, pendulum physics, whatnot, games. There's all kinds of games. See, I'm going to be going through these and trying to figure out some more stuff, but I think you can too. Once you become uh, log into this, become a member or whatever, and it's free, you should be able to go and play any of these games that you want to. But I'm going to do some more work on just figuring out what's good on here and what's not. So far, I've just pulled up some conservation of energy things and see what we've got there. I can check on students to see who's all playing and who's not. Anyway, enough about that. Let's go back to our screen here. Okay, so basically just today and tomorrow, then don't forget to submit your exit slips tomorrow, and then we'll try to do some some more engaging things. I've got some ideas for you that I might throw out there for more hands-on, tangible things that we could do for science. That's going to be really tricky through a computer. I don't know what supplies you have at home, but I'm going to start at least posting some videos or some links of some things you can do. And if you want to do some observational science or some hands-on science, some of it could even be outside. I've got an idea going about possibly using our um, smartphones and creating a document that we are shared with, like close-up pictures, just nature pictures. I've got an idea for that. But anyway, I'm rambling now. So have a great day, everyone. Spread the word about this awesome video. Give me some suggestions. Email me some suggestions about how I can make these videos exciting to watch. Okay, that's not my strong suit. All right, bye-bye.